Hello guys, this is how to fix AI not showing up on Snapchat. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So my AI on Snapchat is a chatbot. As you input the information, it will respond as a human being would. So it would look something like that. So if you do not have the My AI showing up on your chat, what you can do is you can start off by searching for it. So you can click on the search icon right there. Then you can search My AI. And if you still can't find it um, under friends and groups, what you can go ahead and do is you can open up your settings and then you're going to click on apps. Click on apps again. And then you are going to search for Snapchat. Go ahead and search that in Snapchat. And we are going to clear the cache. So click on storage right there and clear cache. And then we're going to go back and then click on permissions. And then just ensure that all the permissions are allowed. Then we're gonna go ahead and ensure that we have the latest Snapchat update. So we're gonna go into our Play Store. We're gonna search for Snapchat, and we're just gonna ensure that we have the latest update. So you're gonna go ahead and update it if it hasn't been already updated. And then we can go ahead and restart our device. So just restart it. And then the My AI option should be up and running on your Snapchat. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.